Welcome, 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 beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses, Green Thumb Edition. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I'm about to turn this pallet catastrophe into a deck paradise. Yes, I mean, I've done it before. I have a front deck that I built out of pallets that I did on another video, which actually did very well. However, it's been a while, so I'm kind of learning and remembering how to do that all over again. However, this one is special because not only will it be a deck made out of pallets, but I will also do a couch made out of, you guessed it, pallets. So in order to do that couch aspect of it, I have to first do the deck and make sure that it's solidified, fortified, secure, and ready for the couch. So as you can see, I kind of laid out the pallets here. It is 6 pallets that I have, 3 on first row, 3 on the second row, and I kind of just put it out here. I was playing with the idea, playing with the placement, but I feel like this is the permanent location for it because once I do it, I'm not taking it up until I move, whenever that day is. But anyway, go ahead and get that bad boy going. What I will first do is take the boards out of the pallets, make it easier to move, and they're already broken up anyway, because I was using some of them unfortunately for raised garden beds. So as you can see, they're already like detached and all that good stuff. So I'll just dismember the pallets as you see there, and level it out because that's very necessary to do in order to have a deck. You want it to be level. Okay, alright. So, and in order to do this job, you will need a drill. Of course, you want to be powered. Here's some nails and things that I have. Hammer, of course, gloves, and here's this long, leveler. So you want to make sure you have that as well. With that in mind, go ahead and subscribe below before I get into things. Most often there's dogs barking in my videos because I have them next door and they always are outside, and very determined to get in the video. Anyway, go ahead and subscribe below. Do that. While I do these boards, y'all can subscribe because, it takes what it takes. Just got to do my part. All right, chill. Alright, so now with that done, here comes a little planning and preparation and thinking ahead. Now with the pallet couch going here as well, I will need 4 actual boards. So the pallet deck will go on that far piece over here, the middle piece, and obviously can't point backwards, but anyway, the 4, it's an L. It's going to be an L-shaped couch, so the L will be like that. Therefore only these first 2 pieces right here will be out in the open. So what does that mean to me? I'm gonna make sure the best looking boards are in the front, and I actually don't have to have boards going the whole length of the whole pallet because it's gonna be something over it. So I just need enough, probably like that is enough. That one, those boards were already secured. It wasn't really tampered with or anything like that, so that's why that looks like that. So as long as the other ones pallets look like that are holding the couch, I'll be secure. I'll be stable. It'll be firm. You know what I'm saying? These pallets are built to hold a lot of weight, and your boy just don't have it. I'm thinking, so the 2 that are already out in the front, I'll just leave them there. They're the same color, blue. They look pretty good. So I have these 2 pieces being the front 2 pieces, and allow those 4 back there to be my L. I could be kind of cool and be like, oh, let me get the red and the blue one up here so it'd be patriotic. And so, yep, that's what I'll do because I'm just that cool. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip those boards out, level everything out. Once I level everything out, then I can start applying the boards back. It's just that simple, people. This one is not hard at all. Maybe because it's my second time, or maybe because I have you here. Either way, let's do it! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so after all of that fun has taken place, you can see my boards here, ready for the boards. Alright, so as you can see, I have some nails that need to be knocked down, just, you know, along the area. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock those down, add in the boards, and then once I add in the board, I'll be pretty good to go for this portion of the Pallet Deck, my second one that I have back here. So I'm pretty excited about how, you know, the bottom looks. I did make sure that it was off the fence in the back area because I don't want it to be, you know, on the fence just in case one day we get a new fence and have to break the whole thing down and yada 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 yada. So yeah, man, that was some consideration and how I did things. So yeah. And what I like about the placement of this deck is that it's right there by my garden, my vegetable garden, herb garden. The idea is that I'll be able to sit out on the deck and look over to the garden as well as look over to the home. You know, it's just a fully functional party centralized area. You know what I'm saying? All of that in one. All that to say, it's been thought out, considered, and thought about. If I didn't say that already. Anyway, let's go ahead and hit those nails down, put the pallet boards back on there, and we are pretty to have a finished product. Alright, beautiful people, so now that I have those boards all in and all that good stuff, now I just have one piece that I have to correct. So this piece right here, you see I have a little opening, you know, this is the walking area. So I'm gonna have this board here, you know, like so, but I need to go ahead and like measure it out. As you can see, there's an overlap, and as you can see, it's not the straightest of openings, like it's slender here and open up as it goes to the top. So what I'll do and what you can do is just put your piece, put your plank in there like so, as you would have it to fit. For the excess piece, you just take it, you measure it off at the bottom, make sure it's the distance that you want it to be. Then I'm gonna come to the top, do the same. So and then from there, I'll just mark it, eyeball it to where I think it should be. So ultimately, it's going to be a slow progression to the skinny piece. So here's my cut. It's along the line. Alright, so maybe or maybe not you saw the line that I will be cutting on, but nonetheless, I'm going to take it over to the table saw, give it a cut, and that should do the trick. Okay? I'm going to table saw that bad boy, and we should be done. Whew. Another pallet deck done. Just like that, y'all. Doesn't take much, doesn't take long. Just a little patience and perseverance. Just like that, beautiful people, we have our piece. Now I'm gonna go ahead and see if the piece fits. If my one cut does it all. All right, let's see. All right, beautiful people, let's see if the shoe fits. Wow, that's a woodpecker over there. Uh-oh. Looks like my calculations were a little off. Doesn't look like it's much that I have to cut off. Just a little lip, it's not bad. There's a piece already breaking at the top, which was perfect. It actually allowed me to see how much space I really needed. So I just need to cut that length all the way down to this point. Ugh. All right, let's go cut again. All right, so now I am back, hopefully with my final cut. All right, we have a winner. Ding, 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 ladies and gentlemen. So now I just drill in the final piece to the puzzle, to the show, and we are done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, that is it. The deck is finished. As I said before, I'm going to have the outside areas open because that's where I will put my pallets for the couch. And that is on the way. And so I made sure the front area was nice and finished. As you can see, you know, I did do the red, white, and blue type vibe because I am patriotic and I felt like it was a cool touch. So I did do that, as you can see. And you can also see like a couple of pallets back there. So I'll be, as the days go on, collecting pallets as I see them here and there so that I can make my pallet couch. Yes, I'm so excited. So the idea is that I'll stack 2 pallets on each other. So there'll be 2 pallet height type deal. So it'll be 2, 2, 2, 2. So of course, 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 spaces, need 2, 8 pallets in total will be stacked up, and then I'll put cushions and all that good stuff, and it'll be a nice, relaxing, chillaxing area in the backyard. So a nice little fun thing that you can do during this quarantine time. You know, get some DIY projects, man. If you see pallets, now you have an idea of what you can do with it. And I'm gonna also leave the colors the way it is, which it was recommended for the front yard area by the viewers. So I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna just leave it here. I'm not gonna stain it. I'm not gonna coat it. I'm gonna just leave it just like that. I feel like it's sturdy enough, you know, to do and to leave itself like that. So there you have it. Another pallet deck. Yes, it's my second one. I'm so excited. Might even do a third one. It may not be here. It may be somebody else's house. So go ahead and comment, like it. Comment below if you are excited about doing a pallet deck at your house, or comment below if you need some help. You know, maybe I'm close to where you are and I can help you out. All right, thank y'all for viewing. Thank y'all for looking. And you can see the pallet that is finished. All right, peace.